Welcome back, viewers. Today's topic is Quad Group. What is Quad Group? Why should they form Quad Group at present? What are the nations took part in it? Just you listen and continue. The US, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Uzbekistan have agreed in principle to establish a new quadrilateral diplomatic platform focused on enhancing regional connectivity. The Joe Biden administration has stated like this. The parties considered long-term peace and stability in Afghanistan critical to regional connectivity and agree that peace and regional connectivity are mutually reinforcing. The State Department stated like that. Recognizing the historic opportunity to open flourishing inter-regional trade routes, the parties intend to cooperate to expand trade, build transit links, and strengthen business to business ties. The parties agreed to meet in the coming August to meet to determine the modalities of this cooperation with mutual consensus. Afghanistan's strategic location has for a long time been touted as a competitive advantage for the country. Afghanistan is bordered by Pakistan to the east and south, Iran to the west, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan to the north, and China to the northeast. Located at the heart of the historic Silk Road, Afghanistan was long the crossroads of commerce between Asian countries, connecting them to Europe and enhancing religious, cultural, and commercial contacts. The formation of the new Quad Group is important amid China's desire to extend its Belt Road Initiative (BRI) to Afghanistan. The BRI, a multi-billion-dollar initiative launched by Chinese President Xi Jinping when he came to power in the year 2013, aims to link Southeast Asia, Central Asia, the Gulf region, Africa, and Europe with a network of land and sea routes. Afghan can provide China with a strategic base to spread its influence across the world. Since the announcement of the withdrawal of US forces by August 31st, 2021, violence has been rising and efforts to broker a peace settlement between the Afghan government and insurgent Taliban have slowed. The main reason was to strengthen international relations between the nations east and west. At this juncture, the Danish Siddiq was a Pulitzer awardee who was killed in Afghanistan while covering the fighting between Afghan troops and Taliban militants. Siddiq, who won a Pulitzer Prize in the year 2018, worked for Reuters news agency and was killed on 16th July 2021 in the town of Spin Boldak near the border with Pakistan. He was embedded with Afghan Special Forces at the time of his death. So, US are deeply saddened to hear that Reuters photojournalist Danish Shithik was killed while covering fighting in Afghanistan. Zelina Porter, principal deputy spokesperson at the US Department of State, told reporters Siddiq was celebrated for his work often in the world's most urgent and challenging news stories and for creating striking images. The Biden administration and US lawmakers have mourned the death of the Indian journalist Danish Siddiq, who was killed in Afghanistan.